Adrian, thanks very much for joining us. We've all seen a big focus on ESG. And as a developer, how are you seeing this shape the market and I guess also your business?
Yes, of course, the ESG or environmental, social and corporate governance is right now reshaping the portfolios of different companies. On top of that, I must of course add that Skanska is again, as you know, in the past we were one of the first and pioneers in terms of implementation of sustainability solutions, implementations of LEED or BREEAM certificates when not many companies were even thinking about this. So now we are again moving into the next stage, which is connected with ESG, which is actually development of low carbon footprint buildings. So this is very much going hand in hand right now with actually increasing interest and questions from investors, which I actually faced last year. What is the carbon footprint of this building that you're saying? So that I was quite amazed that investors actually right now putting this on their agenda, and we can answer with our solutions and our strategy. So it's important to also mention that Skanska is supposed to reduce carbon dioxide emissions by 50%, achieve net zero by 2045. Of course, we are talking about embedded and operational carbon footprint. Besides, of course, ESG, looking to the surroundings, what's happening around us, is of course this huge focus on people's health and the well-being. We have started this again before pandemic. All of our buildings started to be oriented towards the WELL certificate in Central Europe and also in other areas of Skanska business in the world. So we see that what we have started with, and of course providing not only the space, the air, the water, and all of the solutions for the health of the person. Right now, it's more about safety. Yes, so all of the touchless amenities, all of the sanitization, air conditioning systems. Now this is becoming like the major point of all of the tenants when they are making the decisions on the next moves, and we see this.
And Adrian, are you seeing corporates actively looking to move?
Of course. Some of the tenants are right now a bit hesitating to make decisions, but I would say these are more like small size, middle size companies. But these big companies are still expanding their business. So regardless of the situation that we have right now, we are signing big leases. So just last year it was PZU in Poland, more than 40,000 square meters of office space. It was another Allegro tenant, which is Polish eBay or Amazon, which has leased almost 30,000 square meters. And we have few requirements like that right now in Poland and other Central European countries. So we see that these big corporations are actually looking for partners like Skanska. Yes, and they want to have this package that they can provide to their tenants. And of course, tenants want to attract their employees. So this is becoming, one of the most critical factors.
It'll be interesting to see how these factors, particularly from the occupiers and capital markets side, will influence the office sector going forward. Thanks very much for joining us, Adrian.
Thank you, Richard.